Welcome to your channel. This is your math exam coach. If you're new to this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you also like it and share it. Make sure you also follow our WhatsApp channel. I'm going to put the link to that WhatsApp channel in the comment section. So feel free to follow that for more updates. Alright, let's jump into this question. So here we're given a complex number 4 plus 3i over 3 minus 2i. We want to express it in the form of x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers. Alright, so before we solve it, if you would like to solve it on your own before we come back to the tutorial, just feel free to pause this video and then you can come back. But you can also follow us as we go step by step. Alright, so here are the key things here. So we know that x and y are real numbers. But we also know that this x plus iy is moving away from w, which is a fraction here, a complex number, which is a fraction. So in order for us to get in this form, we need to get rid of this denominator, which is 3 minus 2i, right? So how are we going to do that? We're going to multiply this with its own complement. We know that for x plus iy, it is a complement of x minus iy. So we're going to use that concept here. Alright, so let's solve A. We have 4 plus 3i over 3 minus 2i. Again, we have already said we want to. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 3 plus 2i over 3 plus 2i. So we can expand here. So 3 by 3, this is 9 plus 6i minus 6i minus 2i times 2i. So this is going to be minus 4i squared. And we can solve the numerator as well. So this is going to be 12, 4 times 3 plus 8i plus 9i plus 6i squared. But we know that I squared is the same as squared, so this is negative 1. So we're going to use this concept. So we have 12 plus 8i plus 9i. So this becomes minus 6 over 9 plus 6i minus 6i minus, so this becomes plus 4. Right, so this becomes 12. This becomes 12 minus 6, so this becomes 6 plus 17i all over 9 plus this cancel out, so 9 plus 4, 13. So we have 6 plus 17i over 13. But remember, we want to express this in terms of x plus iy. So therefore, we can have w here, which is 6 over 13 plus 17i over 13. So we have solved the first question. So the second question, we want to find the modulus of w. Modulus of w. So this is, so how do we do that? So we know that, so the modulus of a complex number c, which is given by x plus I y, is equals to the square root of x squared plus y squared. Right, so let's continue here with, we are still continuing on the second question on B here. We're given that w equals to 6 over 13 plus 17i over 13. Therefore, the modulus of w, as we have shown in the formula in the previous one, becomes 16 over 13, not 16, this is 6. 6 over 13 squared plus 17 over 13 squared. And we can simplify this. Once you do the simplification, we're going to see that this becomes 5 over 13 square root of 13. So that's the modulus here. And now want the argument of w. So the argument is just saying what is the angle that is going to be formed. So here, this is C, so the argument of W. Here we're going to say this is tan, arctan. We have 17 over 13 divided by 6 over 13. So this is going to simplify to arctan of 17 over 6. And this one we can do it now on calculators. Here we get 70.6 degrees. So that's the solution that we get there. Alright, so this is our tutorial on complex numbers. If you enjoyed this, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure to follow our WhatsApp channel in the comment section. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.